Hello my fellow YouTubers. Now we're going to be getting cracked back on with a K, so roll the titles and let's do it! So we're getting cracked back on with the EnduroKA, so we're just waiting for all the bits to come and then we're going to start chucking all on the bits. So if you haven't seen this one before, I'll chuck a link up above. You can check that out. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, then you don't miss any crazy garage stuff that we get up to. So let's get cracked on. Let's start putting some of the bits on. Yeah boy! The new ball joints arrived. Ball joints chuck on this side. Floppy. That's a new ball joint to replace that. I think some other bits just arrived. Sam's obviously got that wheel bearing knocked in. Can't get hold of the steering arm, so I'm working out which is my best steering arm and putting the new tracker end on that. And we've got the new exhaust arrived. What sound does the exhaust make? I see. Right, so we'll get cracked on with putting these bits on. Woohoo! Right, so I'm going to go and swap the struts over now for the new one, the one that's bent like a banana. Banana! Scene 2.
A few moments later.
Springs all done. That's all the new one ready to go. Sam's putting the new ball joint in there now. The bearing hub's all done. So yeah, we are smashing on with it. All that put back together, that can go in the scrap bin. There's Evo, using my ramp again, because that's what everyone does, just comes and use my ramp. That's the wheel going back on for the first time. All this side built back up. New bearing, the new longer stud, and all the brakes checked, bottom arm, everything's ready to rock and roll in that corner. So Sam is cracking on with the back end, getting all the bolts checked. The sub axle, gonna check the bearings, probably re-grease them and set the brakes, make sure everything's alright. And I need to go and get a stub axle for the back. And then we've got the handbrake cable that's sagging down where I've done the welding. We'll have to get a P-clip and get that drilled, and either drilled and or tech screwed or pop riveted or something, get that fastened back up. Obviously we outrun this part of the speedo at the back, it's not part of the ABS. If any of you want to know if you've lost your signal for your mileage, you keep the back 2 sensors in, because that's what reads your speedo. Obviously disconnect your front because you're not allowed the ABS, and that eliminates your ABS from working. Right, so one of these I know it definitely has the stub axles because it has many parts. Oh look at it, I can't believe that. Buzzing, because obviously I fitted the wrong one, so I need the pickup signal for the speedo. So let's crack on. So sub axle's back on, Sam's chucked that on, we've serviced the brake, we've re-greased the bearings, we've set all that. So the wheels are stuck on the back, sort the handbrake cable, but I need to sort out where I've welded and get that sealed up, so I'll chuck it up in the air now and we'll get underneath sorted out. Oh yeah, before I press that, and then we'll get the front bumper off, take the front bumper off, put the light in, check all the lights, and we are pretty much good to go. Woohoo! What do you reckon to wheels, Sam?
Well, it's only that colour because of me anyway.
Yeah, this is true, you did say.
You want, let's have some grey ones.
Yeah, alright then. Right. Oh, where's the wheel? Oh, why? Lights in. So I'll get the bumper off. I've got to sort the clips out and the new holes on the side. Put the new light in. Give the slamp on a bit of a wipe down. And then, yeah, headlight, bolts, bumper back on properly, and that's that. Racing's coming up. What are you doing? Are you chilling out? Are you chilling out? Right, so the only decent headlight I've got is blooming coloured. Gone yellow and all horrible, so I'll give it a quick clean up with some compound. I'm not going to wet flat it like I normally do because it isn't that bad. Quick clean up, chuck some compound on, quick clean up machine polish, do that with the other one, and then the headlights will be nice and clean, and then we can chuck the bumper on and it'll be nice because the bumper's going on and we're going racing. put some new clips on, and then I haven't got any nuts and bolts, so I want to use some nicer ones. So I'll get some nuts and bolts tomorrow to fix on the side wings, because you've got to get some, there's got to be a bolt in the middle of the top of the wheel, and then one down at the bottom of the edge. If I can see a diagram, I'll put one up now. Pow! Panel clips put on. I don't know if you can see that, they're only come off eBay. They're what you want, nice and cheap as chips, because we smash them off all the time. One clip, there we go, there's the clips and brakes. We've got the screw to go in there, tidy that up, and then I think it's to drill a hole there and a hole there and put a fixing point on, which I will probably do tomorrow. So yeah, let's get the ramp up and let's see about putting the exhaust on. Yeah, put the exhaust on so we can go bop, 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 bop. Sounded like a chicken. Ooh, see you. Get all the rubbers chucked on. I am crazy. Who could do this? Talk to themselves and be so stupid on a night time. What time is it now? It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock Monday night. So we'll get the exhaust taken off now, get the new exhaust put on, get the new exhaust rubbers on from Burton Power. I bought a better exhaust because this one was cheap, which it's done the job, but the clamps, nothing lines up and it's blowing from everywhere and the welds are failing. So get the exhaust off, get the new one on, get the new rubbers on, and that'll probably do for tonight, and then we'll hit straight into the reveal. So yeah, let's get this exhaust off. Let's get it off, let's take this exhaust off. So we've got the old exhaust off, and now we're going to start swapping out these bad boys that like to rip along there. Can you see? Can you see? And then I should have opened the packet. Look at the state of the oil and muck on my face. Looks like I got a gringo. Shall I have a gringo tash? If you think I should have a gringo tash, comment down below and I might do a gringo tash funny for an episode. Oh, we dropped one on the floor. You can't have that, Ellie. Not a chance. She thinks that's a new rubber toy. See, want it? Want it? Not a chance. So, basically, can you see? Can you see? See what you see. Place it in. Oh, they're nice. In. Oh, look at that. Nice as pie. Then this one. Just twist. Pop. Ellie, do this. Do this. Do this. Have this one. Have this one. Oh, sit down then. Sit down. Get it in. Whoa. Oh, do you want one? Do you want this one? Bella, come on then. Go get it. It's that way, Bella. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Hey. Right, anyway. Next one. There we go. Click in. Turn. Next one. Down here. Down here. Down here, governor. Down here, governor. Twist, pull, throw to the dog. New one in. Oh, these fit really well. These are good. I'm really happy with the quality of these. These are awesome. If you've got a K as well, I'd stick these on your road car, not as well as race car. I'll put a link down to Burton Power's website where you can get all these control pads. Show them on your road car because the suspension's awesome as well. Handles like glue and get these on. They're an awesome fit. Right, let's start mocking up and putting the exhaust on. Very nice. I'm tired now. The exhaust is up, the new exhaust is on, the new poly bush is in. You can see how it fits the shape of the car, perfect. The other one was a crap shape, and you couldn't get it to go up properly because the box was twisted, and no matter what you twisted and pulled and yanked, it wouldn't fit. Twisted and pulled and yanked. Oh dear. That's right, so the exhaust is done. Next time I'll see you, it'll be all clean and we'll go in for a drive for it and we'll go through all the sponsors. See ya, bye. Right, what's rolling around, screwdriver, that's for the number plates. So we're heading off now, and the weather isn't that nice, so I'm going to put a jumper on. So I'm just going to go somewhere so we can get a nice reveal of it. I don't know how well this is going to be filming, it looks like it's bouncing all over. So we're heading out now, but it's warm in here. I'm afting. We'll do a reveal, we're going to talk through all the sponsors that have made it happen and made it possible, so we should see you very shortly. Right, so going through the sponsors, obviously Shine Automotive is myself and Sam, and then you had Chris Pryor Graphics that did the wrap, which was a fantastic job. Then you got I&D Fitness, which is a gym in Thirsk, sponsored by Mitch. And then you got Samson Builders, which is Bad Boy Wayne. Well, I don't know if he's a bad boy, but he's Wayne anyway. There's building contractors. Then Ian Danby, that raced with us last year but has decided to move on and do his own thing. Electrical Services, but he's still sponsoring us for 2020. And then you've got Alan Evans of Thirsk. They have a YouTube channel. I'll put the link down below where they use their YouTube channel for filming their ads on Auto Trader. So they just basically put their cars on for the links. And then AJ Horseboxes. And then we have Autosmart International and Rage Shop Blasting and Powder Coating that do all the powder coating. And it's starting to rain. Yeah, well, I just got in the car just in time and it is hammering it down. So the reveal was just lucky. I got it before it rained, and the thunder and lightning is happening and it is chucking it down out there. Don't know if you can see the rain on the windows. Obviously we don't run with a passenger seat, but we've been nipping around. We've had it on the rolling roads as well, so it's always handy just to have somebody to come for the ride. 12-hour race at Snetterton, endurance race. 4 drivers will be on our team, 2 to be announced. Just luckily managed to film the 2020 livery before it rained. Thanks for all the sponsors, everyone that helps out. All the links down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, have a beautiful time. And here's a little word from our Wayne and Matt. Are you ready for Snetterton then this weekend, Wayne? You're proper ready for it?
Are you filming?
Yep.
No, not at all. I'm fat, unfit, too hot, but I'm still faster than you.
Are you? Well, you were faster than me at Brands Hatch last year, weren't you?
Yeah.
I couldn't.
It's faster than you to the bar every time we go to a pub.
Well, this is true.
Faster to get me fags out, faster to pay for dinner, faster than you in everything, faster than you at
You
grass
and
tracking.
me always go twos up on paying for dinner.
Faster than you at grass tracking, but you won't admit it.
Yeah, roll on Snetterton. Are you ready for Snetterton, Matthew?
Do you want me to swear?
Listen to that rain! Oh, it's so miserable. The day I want to get the nice reveal done. Woohoo! Oh, what? I didn't press record. Yeah, I've been laughed. I didn't press record. All that. Yeah.
Listen.